Alright, so it's Wednesday afternoon, about 4:40. Scout's got to finish, or I should say I've already trimmed this lawn all up. He already mowed the front. He's mowing this back. This property, the next door neighbor, the front's trimmed. I'm almost done. I just got to do a little bit of trimming down here. And then across the street, we got a real small one. It will be done for the day. So I haven't done any mowing footage in a while. So this is like lawn number 7 or 8. We didn't start till almost noonish because I have school stuff, online school stuff until then, basically. He could go faster, but it seems like we've been having to double cut a lot of stuff. He cleaned out the deck before going over this lawn, and the blades on it are pretty good. They're the 8. They call them 810s. I told him just to go a lot slower, so we don't have to double cut it because we want to get done. Check out my other video that I'm probably going to post the same time that I post this one. What happened over here at that bird feeder way over there. I'm not saying I'm a hero, but I saved a life. That's all I can say. Saved a life. This is Kentucky bluegrass, is what the lady told me. Kind of looks like typical fescue like everything else up here in Michigan. And she wants it cut at between 3.5 to 4 inches. So we've been cutting it at 3 3/4. The front is really beautiful. I'm actually looking for some tire recommendations. This mower, you got to be so careful all the time. All the time. The littlest move and it like tears up the grass. And I'm going to say it's got to be the tires. Those are original tires, so I know it could use some new tires, period. But I'm not sure what are on it now. But I don't really like them. Alright, if he goes up there and cuts behind that tree and all that stuff for a while, then I'm gonna sign off so I can finish trimming, and I gotta get across the street and trim. And we got like a little tiny backyard that I gotta push mow. So maybe I'll hang on for one more stripe. Look at him, oh, he's just gonna jump over. I'll do one more so that way it's a little closer. This lawn that Scout's on right now is a new one for us. We just picked it up this year. Her guy, standard MO, just not dependable. It never edged. I used the Golden Edge edger blade to reclaim her edging along her driveway and sidewalk, and she was ecstatic. She was like, oh my gosh, I didn't expect edging. And I was like, yep, that's what we do at SOS. She's 88 years old and pretty good shape too. She could probably mow it herself if she had the right equipment. All right, have a good day, everybody.